How is everything? How is it going? What have you been up to? Getting by. Can't complain. All right. Couldn't have been better. Never been better. Good morning. Good evening. Good night. Pleased to meet you. I will talk to you later. I am in my way to you. Wait for me. See you soon. Sweet dreams. Thank you. It's my pleasure. Not at all. You are welcome. This is possible. This is impossible. How old are you? Let me help you. I am grateful to you. Sorry for the delay. Be careful. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to take medicine. Do you wake up early? Are you vegetarian? Don't smoke here. What is your favorite food? Do you like meat? Do you like chicken? Are you vegetarian? What is your marital status? Are you married? Are you single? I wish you a speedy recovery. You must be kidding. Are you sure?